Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I am doing a pack with me for Disney. We are going to Disneyland for 4 days. My husband and I are taking our 3 girls. Our 2 older girls are turning 6 and 7 this month. Their birthday is a week apart, so we are surprising them tomorrow that we are headed out to Disney for their birthdays. We also have an 18-month-old who's never been, so it's gonna be her first trip to Disney. It's so exciting. So I'm gonna show you guys today what I'm gonna pack. I've actually just learned that it's gonna be raining most of the time that we're there, so bummer, but I'm gonna pack a lot of stuff to keep us dry, raincoats, boots, ponchos, things that we can still have fun, but stay dry and warm at the same time. And hopefully there won't be so many crowds. So that's a plus. But the girls are at school, so I want to get packed today because tomorrow is Saturday, so they'll be off school and I don't want them to know we're going. As soon as my husband gets off work on Saturday, tomorrow, we're going to surprise them and just head out. So if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed so that you can come along with us on our Disney trip and catch up on our next video, which will be us surprising the girls and heading out to Disney. But let's just go ahead and get started. I've got a ton to pack and I'm gonna show you everything I'm packing for my family of 5 for Disneyland. So I kind of have laid out some of the outfits for each of the girls, and they are matching, so it's super similar. But all 3 girls have this little outfit, these cute Minnie Mouse leggings, a matching shirt, and then this sweatshirt will go with it. It's like a little fleece hoodie. So that's for one of the days. This other outfit here has the cute sequin skirt. I bought all these pieces separately, but I just thought they'd be cute. And then leggings if it's cold for that one. And then I've got a pair of jeans and then another pair of like sparkly leggings. And we're making t-shirts. My mom's still working on them. She's got one of the silhouette machines where we can make our own. These are ones from our last trip that I'm just gonna bring as extra shirts, but I'll show you guys later when I get the shirts what they look like, but that's kind of the idea. It'll just be like a t-shirt and sparkly legging. I put my finger over the mic, so I had to just voice over this part, but I was pretty much just saying these are the bows I'm bringing to go with their outfits. So here's the same over here for Maddie, same outfit here and same outfit here, and then we're just waiting on our t-shirts to go with those two. They've both got these fleece fuzzy jackets that can go with any of the outfits, and then they'll both take their pink leather jackets. Aren't these so cute? So they'll have those, and then I actually don't have like regular rain jackets, so that's something I'm hoping to do tonight or first thing tomorrow, is be able to run out and just grab a rain jacket and probably some rain ponchos. And I think I'll also take these beanies in case it is really cold, which I'm sure at night it will be if it's going to be raining during the day. So what I do to organize my packing is I have the outfits laid out and I'll just fold them up, and I actually put each outfit into one of these large like freezer Ziplocs, and then I can label it for what day I want it for, and then it's just ready so that the girls, it's easy for them to grab their outfit for the day and get themselves dressed.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust.
Okay, so I've got each outfit in a bag. I just need to add the shirts to these as soon as I get them from my mom tonight. And yeah, so we're totally organized. I decided to make another bag with hats, and with the hats and hair bows and hair accessories to go in another one. And then I've just got the sweatshirts, pajamas, and then an extra pair of socks and underwear, and the extra long sleeve shirts in here already.
Hard on my window when the night's too dark. You're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me.
Okay, I've got Maddie's bags ready to go in.
For lungs, we gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the.
So I wasn't able to fit the girls' shoes in their suitcases because obviously they're packed full, but I am taking a large suitcase to put all of my stuff and Emmaline stuff, so I think I'm just going to try to fit their shoes in there as well. I think it'll be fine, but just wanted to throw that in. So they'll all just have a pair of tennis shoes that can kind of go with all their outfits, and a pair of red boots that can be worn, you know, just in the rain. They all have little red boots. These ones are Emmaline's. Obviously they're tiny. The other girls are wearing theirs today. Emmaline passed out for nap time in my bed, so I'm just gonna voice over this part, but this is the first outfit I'm bringing. I'm just bringing my black distressed jeans. They're super comfy. They're from Old Navy. And this quarter sleeve shirt, we actually got these for our honeymoon, and they just say Mr. and Mrs. on the front, and then they have Mickey and Minnie kissing on the back. So cute. I love this shirt. We've worn it a few times at Disney and they've held up really well. I'll try to link the company we got them from below, but there's my mini ears, and I'm just going to bring this flannel that can go over this outfit and probably most of my other outfits I wear, and these two pairs of shoes, Converse and my Nikes, because they can go with just about any outfit as well. And I'm going to bring another pair of leggings in this striped waffle knit long sleeve just because it's nice and warm, and a matching beanie. The beanie can also go with most of my outfits as well. Then I'm going to bring these paneled leggings and just my classic Mickey t-shirt. And I do have two t-shirts that I'm making that are also going to be packed as well. Again, I will show you guys those in a little bit. I'm bringing my jean jacket because that can be layered over any of these outfits. Just a black sweatshirt, a zip-up black sweatshirt that can go under my jean jacket or over any of these outfits. My Mickey Mouse hat. Then I'm just bringing my jeans. These are the ones that I always wear. You guys always see me in them. And this black long sleeve that I like to tie up on the side. I'm going to bring this paneled leather jacket. It can go over pretty much everything. I love this jacket. It's so cute. Then I'm just bringing another plain black zip up that can be layered under any of these jackets. Another flannel because I'm sure I will layer that as well. I'm all about layering to stay warm for this trip. And these boots are just if we like go out to dinner one night or something. I have my pajamas here, all of my socks, underwear, bras, and then I'm going to bring these boots, which I'm actually wearing today, for when it's raining. And here's Edward's stuff. I had him pack last night because he's not going to have a lot of time to pack. Let's start with these adorable Minnie Mouse tennis shoes. I just got her red boots, black boots, socks. These are her pajamas. She's bringing two pair of Minnie Mouse pajamas and then just this other basic pair. We've got this cute Minnie Mouse sweatshirt. It's so warm and comfy. Another Minnie Mouse sweatshirt and a black zip-up fleece sweatshirt. Again, I'm just going to be layering these to keep her nice and toasty warm. And look at this cute outfit. I've got just her little black leggings with a panel. I don't think you can really see that, but this adorable Minnie Mouse beanie. Again, the same outfit matching the big girls. some cute little bows to go with it, and the same sweatshirt again, matching her older sisters. Here's our other outfit that again matches her sisters. Instead of the skirt, because I couldn't find one, she's got her little leg warmers. And I've just got lots of bow options to go with all of these outfits. Pair of jeans, and of course the t-shirts we're making can go with the jeans or her extra leggings. And I found this cute little outfit at Target. I don't think it's going to be warm enough, but I'm bringing it just in case. And then I have some extra long sleeves and leggings because she goes through outfits like crazy. Hey, look who's up. Oh, what baby? Well, here's all her stuff bagged up, ready to go in my suitcase. Again, we're just waiting for the t-shirts. And then I think that's everything. I got it all to fit. And there's still a little extra room in case I need to add anything else, but this is all of Emmaline's stuff, all of my stuff, and then all our shoes. Okay, you guys, I got all of our clothes and shoes and all that stuff packed. I still have the bathroom stuff and like toiletries, and then the stuff to pack for our trip down there for in the car, like snacks and the diaper bag. So I do still have some to do. I don't want this video to be too long, but let me know if you guys want to see what I actually packed to take into the Disneyland parks, like for the day. And also if you would like to see what I pack on trips in the car. We're going to be in the car for like 5 to 6 hours. Should be interesting how that goes. But so I'm packing a lot of snacks and a lot of things to keep the kids busy. But let me know if you're interested in seeing any of those videos. But otherwise, make sure you're subscribed because my next video is going to be when we surprise the girls and we're on our way to Disney. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up.